Today is March 22nd, I think. Do a little tour of my yard. Start here. I like the way this turned out. The yard's kind of a mess. I was weeding yesterday, but I like the yucca glauca here and the cactuses. And the way the what's that called? Cat mint blends in, and then the variegated yucca in the back. Here's my southern magnolia. Planted too close to the house. Probably gonna have to take that down. This is a Cuba japonica. I protect this every year, just kind of throw some leaves around the base, and then I've been covering it with a bed sheet and a sheet of plastic if it gets really cold. Here's my Mexican fan palm I've had since 1996. Musa Basju. I've had that in the ground since 2011. Comes back every year. This is a papaya that's gonna die if I don't dig it up. Mammy sapote in a pot. Here's my other desert scene. Got lots of different cactuses. Flowering really good right now. Let's see. Some sort of a Puncha fragilis. Echinocerius something. I can't remember the name for it. I think that's a Puncha, what's it called? I can't remember. There's a Triglochidiatus or something like that. Another yucca glauca. That's a chala, Santa Fe chala. And here's two crepe myrtles. This one died back. I think that's a Hopi. They said it was a Hopi, and Hopis are supposed to be like the most hardy. But I'm not finding that to be true. I'm not actually sure if it is a Hopi, to be honest, but it dies back almost every year. And here's a yucca hybrid, yucca gloriosa crossed with a yucca recurvifolia, I think. I think it's really big. And here's the other crepe myrtle. That's what is it? Pink velour. Here's my sable palm in a pot. Our yard's really messy, so probably not the best time to do this video, but okay, here's a Sable Minor, Louisiana. Southern Magnolia, Bracken's Brown Beauty, Mimosa, some other stuff in pots. This is a soursop tree. I think that got burned in the sun. Here is a Calamandan orange, which looks really bad. I'm about to give up on it because it's really annoying to take care of. It's like constantly losing leaves or turning yellow. You gotta have the soil right, you gotta have the fertilizer right. It's very picky. Yucca alata. This over here is a Proc persimmon. I got one fruit off it last year. Hoping to have a lot more this year. It's flowering right now. These are self-pollinating. You don't need a male pollinator. Or no, they're not self-pollinating. I can't remember the name, but they don't even need to be pollinated. If they get pollinated, they have seeds, otherwise they don't. This is just a regular American persimmon. Planted it from seed last year. Here's another hybrid yucca. Back here is it's a Sable Minor McCurtain. Didn't even get burned this year. Well, a little bit, but not much. We got down to -6, I believe. Here's another crepe myrtle, red dynamite. And then this Sable Minor got burned completely. It's starting to come back and it's growing seeds. And one more area. This is another hybrid yucca. It's a yucca gloriosa crossed with yucca recurvifolia. This is a needle palm that never does well for me. It gets spear pull almost every year. I'm pretty much given up on it and let it do its thing. I'm not sure what this. I was told it was a yucca recurvifolia, but I'm not sure. But trying that one out. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.